Alright, so we are headed to Tegenungan Waterfalls here in Bali, Indonesia. It's about an hour away from where I'm at right now. I'm in Canggu, which is like a little town, a beach town. We're going to Ubud, which is the same place where Monkey Forest is at. So we're taking the old motorcycle here. This is a Inmax 155. It's considered a bigger motorcycle or a scooter here. They have the 100 or something, but it's not suggested if you're going to be traveling a long distance. So let's go. Man, sometimes getting lost is the best thing. So I got lost on the way to Ubud, or on the Tegenungan Waterfall, and I stumbled upon this temple right here called Pura Dalem, and it just looks beautiful. And there's nobody here. It's so quiet. Just thought I'd show you around a little bit of all the magnificent places there. And this is not even like a tourist attraction. This is just another temple that I stumbled upon. Amazing, man. Indonesia has so much to offer, man. Definitely does. Super blessed. Hope you guys come check it out soon. All right, we're taking back off. It was nice, temple. Thank you for the stop. Pura Dalem. Really nice, man. There's another temple over there, but it seems to be closed. So we got to turn around. We got lost. We got to turn back around. Check out these rice fields. Amazing, man. Across this little bridge. Shit is dangerous. Oh wow, look at this hidden house back here. Wow. Got here. Waterfall. I think we're here. I think we got here. We're close. Motorbike. Okay. How far is the waterfall? Is the waterfall here? Okay. Let me check it. This is the waterfall. Oh. What is it? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at some of the hats they have. Hello.
Hello.
I like this hat over here. Hello. How much are this hat? This. How much is this? 20,000. I don't know if it's maybe it's too big, too little. Oh, maybe. Okay. Yeah. I like that. That's all right.
Yeah.
Let's look good. I'm gonna take this to the United States. Okay, 20,000. Oh, bless you.
Do you want drink, yeah?
Not right now. In 15. Oh, 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that right?
70,000.
Oh, 70,000. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
10%.
Oh, look at you. Okay. She said she wanted a tip. Here we go. Now we give this ticket. Show your ticket here, please. Thanks. You're welcome. Okay. Oh, ticket. Oh, thank you. All right, we're in. There's all kinds of stuff here. Okay, maybe later. We made it to Tegenungan Waterfall in Bali, Indonesia. So it was worth the ride on that moto. It took about an hour to get here, so super excited. Now we have to walk all the way down there. So let's get going.
To get to the waterfalls, you have to go down and up a few flights of stairs, so make sure to wear some shoes that are somewhat have a grip. Make sure to keep your hands on this rail here. It's for small kids. Keep your eyes on them because there's a lot of non-safety measures, or there's no safety measures. The waterfall is absolutely stunning, something out of this world. I mean, this is nature's best design and kiss of this earth. To be able to experience something like this is almost mind stunning. So it's a blessing to be here. If you come down, you come all the way down to the waterfall level where the waterfall ends. Come down here, you can actually take a swim. It's beautiful. There is going to be a place for you to use the restroom and change one level up. So bring like a towel. They don't have towels here unless you stay at the Oma resort. Okay, so bring a towel, bring a change of clothes, some soap, and some deodorant stuff just to get you going. You don't have to get all prettied up, although you can. They have a really nice restroom at Oma Resort. That's 100% free. Well, I shouldn't say free. You have to go in there, have a drink, have something to eat. But if you're by yourself, there is no minimum coverage. I will be covering Oma Hotel Resort. If you want to see that, please tell me in the comments. If not, I'll skip over it. But it is a beautiful resort, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Here we're ending the video. I decided to check out the resort. She gave me she walked me up all the way to the top floor here, as you can see. And like I said, there was no minimum. I just sat here. I think I bought a couple of juices and about $10 or something for two of them. So as they have the Bali swing right here on the top level, very Instagrammable. Just give them a couple of tips, nothing big, $2 or $3. Amazing pool with the infinity edge. They have all types of meals. They come right up to you to serve you. The hospitality of Balinese people is out of this world. It's almost like every resort you go to is 5-star, or you're getting the 5-star treatment and paying like a 2-star. So anyways, I hope you like it on No Rules Travel. See you guys on the next one. Hit that like, subscribe, notification bell for cool travel.